My DoorDash has been deactivated, although I already received the PPP. How would I use the PPP money that I've got? That is one of the questions that we have today. Welcome to Why Coffee Break, where we are giving you tax tips and even payroll bookkeeping plus PPP. The answer to that, remember that the PPP amount, it is money to pay yourself. Let's say you got $10,000. It doesn't really matter where your income is coming from. For example, your DoorDash, whatever activity you have in DoorDash has nothing to do with the use of the Paycheck Protection Program money. Even your DoorDash has been deactivated, you could actually use what's really important here is you have other side income, side gig. It could be you're not using DoorDash but you're doing Lyft driving or Uber, because they are all freelance jobs. Even your DoorDash is no longer working, you still have to use the money and you still have to keep your business. How are you going to use the money? You need to issue yourself a payroll. What is a reasonable salary on your city? For example, you're a driver and a typical average, the reasonable salary of the driver there would be what? Would be $2,000 every month. So if you receive at least $10,000, then you need to issue yourself at least $2,000 dollars of check from your business bank account to your personal account. All you have to do is, it could be monthly, maybe June 1st and then July 1st, issue the $2,000 every month by writing a check from your business account to your personal account. That is the simplest or the basic guideline of the Paycheck Protection Program. It has nothing to do with your DoorDash, the activation of your account, as long as you have any other side income that you are receiving cash and you're not under W-2, then therefore you would be able to be qualified for the Paycheck Protection Program to be forgiven as long as you use it paying yourself. Remember, the paycheck, it's 60% minimum of paycheck should go to you, and then 40% to other expenses like rent, utilities, PPP mask, but it does not limit you of using 60% only. That is just the minimum. You can use all the money for your paycheck. And that is a good news, because remember, PPP is not free until it's forgiven. So you have to use it wisely. If you learned something today, please click share and subscribe. Always remember, click the link below for any free consultation with us. Stay safe.